Rekta Sa Kalye.
TNT at LSD at Taguig. Salvation and application. Nobody gets ever gonna take my throat. Oh, it makes sake, but ain't smart enough for God energy. Before this included, you're fucking intruders, cause I am the alpha omega of rap. Call me your master or even.
I'll take you to out of the galaxy. I'll take you to out of the galaxy.
Ako nga po pala si Dropout na Cracker at ako po ay nagbebenta ng aliw sa pamamagitan ng aking music na tinatawag nilang Pantangko sa Ilaw. Maraming salamat po. Supportahan po natin ang lokal na XM.
Rekta Sa Kalye, ano yan?
Rekta Sa Kalye, may Rekta Sa Kalye. Seryoso yan?
Seryoso to eh.
Seryoso pala yan. A lot of street performances from the local scene dito sa Philippines, pero more on rap, R&B singing, ayun. Maybe also dance. Ayun lang, abangan nyo, Rekta Sa Kalye. On your favorite.
Ako nga po pala si Lester G ng 357 Pro at ako yung video rapper. Video rapper ng Rekta Sa Kalye. So yun, sana supportahan nyo.
Anong gamit mo?
Ang gamit ko lang is Samsung J7 Prime.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Tapos may ano
With Magic mic stand. Cellphone stand.
Johnny.
That's it. Meron kaming speaker made in beans, made in Raun. So a little bit cheap but sounds good.
Lakas, no?
Yeah, malakas.
Awating biglapan mula sa 2012 at binibigay ko sa inyo ngayon Psychedelic Boyz mula sa Bakari. Yeah. Psychedelic motherfucking boys. Psychedelic motherfucking boys. TMT at LSD at kabute, tsaka chonky. Naglalaro sa utak namin mga zombies. Naglalaro sa utak namin mga zombies. TMT at LSD at kabute, tsaka chonky. Naglalaro sa utak namin mga zombies. Naglalaro sa utak namin mga zombies. Sa pera lang ang focus ng mata at saka sa ekalam na osis. Basa namin mga kilos nyo, walang pinagkaiba ang peke at ang ilusyon. Dahil merong shouting girl, ang mata namin kaya di nyo pwedeng maalila. Teka, bakit mabigat ang dalawang mata ko? Yung pala yung isa nila. Bago pa ito maging baga, langon ako sa hiwaga. Ano na hinala, halo-halo aking tama. Ako'y wasak na. Ulang nagpasula pero nasalapag pa. Mga pakong lihis na lang dasang mirek na kagad. Siyempre homes para laysay-laysa guy. At LSD at kabute, tsaka chonky. Naglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. Naglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. TNT at LSD at kabute, tsaka chonky. Naglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. Naglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies.
Namin naka-airplane sa loob ng kwarto, Lucy and Mary Jane. Kahit na Sunday nagtitrisan, illegal ang plano pero target namin freedom. Door of happiness na tulak, papasok na lang amoy na namin halimuyak na ang motherfucking pera men. Ang bango, napakabango, napakabango. Tama di normal, limitless ang utak, baga immortal. Spirit ko kumakala, isip ko tumataas, siling ko kumakata. Sino may naplanong mga nakaload na droga para maabot ang
Mamamangang goal sa tropa. Labake kung mag-ibalik pa dumalunok. Basta wag lang sa realidad tumakulong. At LC at kabuti, tsaka chong inaglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. Naglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. TNT at LC at kabuti, tsaka chong inaglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. Naglalaro sa utak naming mga zombies. Aking dugo ay naging indigo. Aking dugo ay naging indigo. Aking dugo ay naging indigo. Dahil sa mga hinalong-punin at sarili ko. May ako lalabasan. Tenga nyo ang habasan. Yo, once again, my name is Dropout from T57 Pro, and welcome to Rekta Sa Kalye. Now, I bring to you from Motog's Pinasman. Yeah, everybody, give it up for Denial, the Rice Cracker. Yeah. Check the mic. What I love today, I took it up today. We're making a drop with me, but I still they gotta step up this game. You got a lot to say, but you cannot rock with me. Got no flow, so you gotta make a sex tape to compensate. Yeah, for the lack of skills, gotta track that kills. You gonna suffocate, trying to enough to get the syllables, when do you breathe? Oh fuck, too late. Damn, I guess you're out of luck today. My tongue is my gun, just gotta cock and aim. They say your flow is blazing, mister, so slick and slide like your brother Kane. But can you rap on the beat, get back on the beat, back on the beat, make that track on the beat, never leave, gonna see what you got. You got some, you don't wanna try with me. Honestly, try to see, I am what I am now. You do sibling rivalry, and you let ladies know. You can put on an amazing show. If you want crazy flow, listen to my baby blow. When I name my flow, that is a well, you know I make him go. That's amazing, the practice spacing. Never gonna play it on the radio. Half Asian and half Caucasian. Nobody is ever gonna take my throne. Underground kings gonna do our thing. I don't really care about the fame, though. I'm cold, like snow. You should know, my flow ain't gonna draw by the blood. You want some? Let's go. I'm so good that they get offended. So when I found things I told me fidelity, it's never ended. But I kept the accent broken English, but I don't wanna get offended. Nigga never figure me out, always thinking about my style, but I won't land it. I'll put the end in. Everybody was suddenly descended, but I elevate things to the head with it. Never did they ever get offended.
It's insane, I got energy. I'm charged up and I'm hard as fuck. I'm far above every fucking rapper who imitate, but ain't smart enough. I got energy. I got heart and such, but I'll start to snuff all these copycats. Get me body bags as I set these weak bucks apart from us. I got energy. Don't worry, this ain't a diss song. If I'm pissed off, you get pissed on. If you test me, you gon' get harmed. I got energy. And the style that you still can't replicate. The hold hella weight and show hella hate for you wanna be. So act hella fake, I got energy. And all you are is another me that's been downgraded for the crowd favorite. When you're on home, fucking town hated, I got energy. And I've been sick of more enemies, and I'll go on to keep the scores of these until I finally get them all diseased. It's all energy. Hey, yeah. I got the energy. I got that. I got that. I got the energy. I got that. I got that. I got that. Hey, yeah, yeah. I got the energy. I'm charged up and I'm hard as fuck. I'm far above every fucking rapper who imitate, but ain't smart enough. I got energy. I got heart and such, but I'll start to snuff all these copycats. Get me body bags as I set these weak fucks apart from us. I got energy. Hey, shouts out to everybody. Rekta Sa Kalye, Vince Dropout. Thank you for having us. Yo, peace.
Fuck with the wind, so we're dark and too loud. It's clear that the review is going to mental distraction. No fucking extension to laugh. Before it's included, you're fucking intruders, cause I am the alpha omega of rap. Call me a master or even disaster, cause I am a murderer. No one can stop, cause I'm raised with the wolves, built with a pack. So we rise from the bottom with a massive attack. If you ask me for a reason why I did this track, it's for all Filipinos that I know. Hip hop with the boom, back for my new track. Better move back, cause I'm the new man with the full stack and the full clip. What you hear is the sound of a gun. Shit happens on your life and then call it a day. Grab a beer and take a hit, that's how you feel, okay? Face bounce it to the music till you fade away. The most faded, no faking. All they say was then the shit was great. Rules. Bounce it to the music till you fade away. The most faded, no faking. All they say was then the shit was great. We see what we see, we learn what we learn. We're made from the streets, then respect is what we earn. If you see what I see, then you learn what I learn. If you're made from the streets, then respect is what you earn. An eye for an eye, man, I'm ready to die. All the happiness we get will stay on your mind. If you stay, we will grind. If you stay, would you try? I will make you a statement that will make you cry. It will take you a while, but your greatness come out. Every story had a lesson to be talking about. R.I.P. to the homie I was talking about. Brother Yoki or the man to the next time I'm out. Woo. Back to reality, take tack on the clap, move back if I want it. Start to the tap, to the track, walk by, don't suck. If you want it, cause I know. If you want it, then go till you find it. All your goals in your life turns gold. If you gotta work hard to the fullest, hold tight. I'ma do this, I'ma beast mode all night. War, but I got it, you got it. Happens on your life and then call it a day. Grab a beer and take a hit, that's how you feel okay, bass. Dance it to the music till you fade away. The most faded, no faking. All they say was then the shit was great. Ooh. Bounce it to the music till you fade away. The most faded, no faking. All they say was then the shit was great. We see what we see. We learn what we learn. We're made from the streets, then respect is what we earn. If you see what I see, then you learn what I learn. If you're made from the streets, then respect is what you earn. Yeah.
Promote.
Yeah. Salamat sa Rekta Sa Kalye. Palabas na yung music video na gagawin ni Johnny Stasio. Ayan po mga mixtape. Ito sa September. Sana supportahan nyo. Under Barrio Verde. So ayun, sa 27 tol, magkita-kita tayo sa release ng album ng 727. Nandun din si Droppy, 357 Pro. Okay, oh fuck, syempre. Then ayun, salamat. Thank you.
Yeah, salamat. Last count. Alright, we got the last performance for tonight. Ito cypher mula sa different artists na nandito ngayon.